The politics of Afghanistan consist of the cabinet of ministers, provincial governors in the National Assembly, with a president serving as the head of state, head of government and commander-in-chief of the Afghan armed forces. The nation is currently led by President Ashraf Ghani, who is backed by two vice presidents, Amrullah Saleh and Sawa Danish. In the last decade, the politics of Afghanistan have been influenced by NATO countries, particularly the United States, in an effort to stabilize and democratize the country. In 2004, the nation's new constitution was adopted and an executive president was elected. The following year, a general election to choose parliamentarians took place. Hamid Karzai was declared the first ever democratically elected head of state in Afghanistan in 2004, winning a second five-year term in 2009. The National Assembly is Afghanistan's national legislature. It is a bicameral body, composed of the House of the People and the House of Elders. The first legislature was elected in 2005 and the current one in 2018. Members of the Supreme Court were appointed by the President to form the judiciary. Together, this new system is to provide a new set of checks and balances that was unheard of in the country. Afghanistan portal government operation in Afghanistan historically has consisted of power struggles, coups and unstable transfers of power. The country has been governed by various systems of government, including a monarchy, republic, theocracy, dictatorship, and a pro-communist state. Afghanistan is an Islamic republic consisting of three branches of power overseen by checks and balances. The country is led by President Ashraf Ghani, who replaced Hamid Karzai in 2014. Before the election of 2004, Karzai led the country after being appointed as president of the Afghan Transitional Administration. While supporters have praised Karzai's efforts to promote national reconciliation and a growing economy, critics charge him with failing to stem corruption and the illegal drug production. The National Assembly was elected in 2005 and then in 2010. Among the elected officials are former Mujahideen, Islamic fundamentalists, reformists, communists, and several Taliban associates. About 28% of the delegates elected were women, 3% more than the 25% minimum guaranteed under the constitution. This made Afghanistan one of the leading countries in terms of female representation in the legislature. The Supreme Court of Afghanistan is led by Chief Justice Syed Yusuf Halim, replacing Abdul Salam Azimi in 2014. The Deputy Chief Justice is Bahauddin Baha. In September 1996, officials of the Islamic State of Afghanistan under Burhanuddin Rabbani were displaced by forces of the Taliban. The United Nations refused to recognize the Taliban government. Instead, it recognized the Islamic State as the official government in exile. The Organization of the Islamic Conference left the Afghan seat vacant until the question of legitimacy could be resolved through negotiations among the warring factions. The Taliban controlled 95% of the territory by 2001 and only Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates recognized them as the government of Afghanistan. The remaining 5% belonged to rebel forces that became known as the Northern Alliance. After the Taliban's refusal to hand over Osama bin Laden to US authorities for his involvement in the 11th of September 2001 attacks in New York City and Washington, D.C., a US-led international coalition was formed. After several weeks of aerial bombardment by coalition forces and military action on the ground, including operations with the Northern Alliance, the Taliban was officially ousted from power on November 17, 2001. In December 2001, a number of prominent Afghans met under the United Nations auspices in Germany to decide on a plan for governing the country. As a result, the Afghan interim administration, made up of 30 members, headed by a chairman, was inaugurated on December 22, 2001. With a 6-month mandate to be followed by a 2-year Afghan transitional administration, after which elections are to be held. Some provisions in the agreement have expired due to the creation of the constitution. Still, the agreement paved the way for the creation of a democratic Afghanistan. The United Nations Security Council authorized the creation of the International Security Assistance Force to help provide basic security for the population of Afghanistan. Members of the United States Armed Forces and other NATO countries began sending large number of troops to Afghanistan. They began to train the Afghan Armed Forces and Afghan National Police as well as fight insurgents and take part in the reconstruction of Afghanistan. The structure of the Transitional Authority was announced on June 10, 2002, when an emergency lawyer Jirga convened establishing the Transitional Islamic State of Afghanistan, which had 18 months to hold a constitutional lawyer Jirga to adopt a consti.